y'all, it's Ellie. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a bit of a cloudy day. I've been kind of cuddled up inside getting some laundry done, but I went outside and I saw that my FabFitFun box is here, so I figured we'd sit down and open it up, put on a cozy sweater. I showed this in one of my most recent Walmart videos, so I'll definitely link that haul because I think this is still in stock and it is so cozy. I love it. But let's go ahead and dive into the box. So if you're unfamiliar with what FabFitFun is, it is a wonderful seasonal subscription box that has fashion, lifestyle, beauty, skincare, home decor, all of the most wonderful things packed into a seasonal box. I wanna say it's about $49.99 a season, or you can pay annually. I am an annual member, which does get you some extra perks of being able to access the add-on shop and customization options early. Absolutely worth it in my opinion. I have a link down below that will get you $10 off your first box. If I can find any other coupon codes, I will definitely link those down below as well. I'm super excited to show you what I got, so let's go ahead and dive in. This is definitely a smaller box than normal, but like I said, since it came in a bigger box, I think some of the other items that I picked are actually in there. So let's go ahead and dive in. We'll start with some of the things that I picked up from the add-on shop. I'm so excited. The shop that FabFitFun offers has so many fantastic deals, great discounts, and super high quality products. So I almost always pick up something. And the first thing I got is this Raeka, R-A-E-K-A, unsure. And this is the turmeric cucumber peel off mask. It is 2.5 ounces and it is best to rejuvenate the skin. I'm a huge fan of turmeric. I really love it in food, but I also love it in skincare. So I was super excited to try this. This was $3.99, which I feel like is a really great price for a face mask. The box is super cute. Let's see what the packaging inside looks like. Oh yeah, this is super cute. I'm a big fan of peel off masks. Oh my goodness, I can smell it from outside the packaging. It smells so good. Very cucumbery, super refreshing. I feel like this is a really great, oh, it's green. Usually turmeric masks are very bright orange, so I'm actually very surprised to see that it's green. Oh my God, I can't stop smelling it. It smells so good. Oh, I can't wait to use that. The next thing that I got was one mystery bundle for $29, but I actually think they might have sent me two. I'm not gonna complain about it because I'm pretty happy about the stuff, but let's go ahead and fully see what we got. So they come in these big plastic bags. Like I said, I do have two of them. So we have this one and we have this one. I'm super excited to open them both. So let me take some things out of the packaging and then I'll show you what I got. Okay, so the first thing in the first mystery bundle is this white tea and ginger oil diffuser. I'm a huge fan of oil diffusers. I really love how they look, but I also think they really do diffuse the scent very smoothly throughout your home. I'm very excited to see how this one goes for me. Let's go ahead and open it and see what we're working with here. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Okay, so inside the box here, we have the diffuser. I think this is so pretty. I can't wait. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put it. I honestly might put it on this bookshelf here. I think this is so pretty. Okay, well that's fantastic. Next in here, we have the In Transit Shower Gel from This Works. This is a gentle sulfate-free cleansing with uplifting bergamot and orange. I love the smell of bergamot. That is fantastic for the fall. I'm really excited about this. I also feel like the size is really good too, so this is really exciting. And then lastly in here, we have the MKS Eco Mod Multi-Purpose Styling Cream. This is fun. I definitely don't think this is going to be something that I will use, but my boyfriend loves styling cream for his hair and he actually just ran out of his. So I think I'm gonna give this to him and I think he's gonna be really happy about it. It says it's in the original scent, so let's go ahead and see what that smells like. Oh, that smells delightful. Wow, okay. Oh, every purchase donates to our nonprofit Get Together Foundation. Great, I'm curious what that is. How exciting, I love it. Okay, well that was a pretty successful first mystery box. Let's go ahead and open the next one. Okay, so the first thing I saw in here is this Butter London Glazing Eye Gloss. I'm not sure, oh, it's in the flavor, it's in the shade Icing. So it looks to be a really pretty kind of pinkish color. Let's go ahead and open this somehow. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. Okay, so this is what the top looks like here, and then the bottom is the color. I'm so excited for this. Okay, this is beautiful. I am a huge fan of Butter London products. I feel like they are absolutely stunning. Oh, is this a powder? What? Okay, so it's like kind of a jelly consistency. I don't think I've ever used anything like this before. Oh my goodness. That is wild. Okay, well, first of all, it's really cold and very gooey, which is interesting. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like. Oh, I guess I didn't really get enough of it. Oh, okay, I could see where this would be really pretty. It's definitely gonna take some working with, but it's a really pretty, super shiny, I don't know. It dries pretty quickly, which is kind of surprising, and it doesn't seem to be smudging. Okay, that'll be fun to try. Then we have the Spongel Blossom Bliss Body Wash Infused Buffer. I have been wanting to try one of these for a really long time, so I'm actually really excited to get this. I am not sure how the scent Blossom Bliss will smell. Basically, if you've never heard of Spongel, they are a infused body exfoliator. It says on here that you get 14 plus uses out of it, which is pretty cool. So it's infused inside of this little sponge, so you don't have to, you know, add your own body wash. Oh, it definitely smells like blossom. Wow. It's really nice, honestly. Kind of springy, so I'm kind of surprised they threw it in a fall box here, but this is also a mystery box, so it's definitely overstocked items. I'm really excited about this, and I think it's gonna be really fun to try. Then we got the Grown Alchemist Antioxidant and Facial Oil with Barago, Rosehip, and Buckthorn. I am a big fan of Grown Alchemist products. Ooh, fancy bottle. Okay, I'm pretty excited for this. I always love trying new face oils, and I feel like my skin could definitely use this. Ooh, that smells like just so relaxing. It smells very much like a spa. I am super excited to use this. And then the last thing in this mystery bag, which is the biggest item, is this Exo Sienna chalkboard, which includes 2 magnets and 2 chalk pencils. So I'm gonna open this, even though there's a very high likelihood that this is going to be a gift to one of my friends, but it sounds a little bit broken, so I wanna make sure that it's not. I believe this was $29 and they sent me all that stuff. I feel like somebody definitely messed up because this is too good to be true. I'm not mad about it, but okay. Ooh, so it has a gold frame and then 2 magnets, and it comes with 2 huge pieces of chalk. This is so cute. I definitely don't think I'm gonna get enough use out of this, but one of my friends is absolutely going to love this. Let's go ahead and open the box itself. So first, we have to admire the beautiful art of this box. I think this is just so beautiful. I actually really like the quality of these boxes. They're really good to store things in your house, or if you're shipping something, it's a nice way to kind of ship it in some pretty packaging too. Let's go ahead and open it up. All right, and the angels sing. So when you open it, it looks like this with some beautiful little leaves for fall. And then you open this right here and we have, and you have the magazine on top. I really like poking through the magazine. I feel like there's always some fun recipes, great little articles, a bunch of information about the products and the brands that are in the box. And we also always get some coupons on top. The first is a 40% off coupon for Daily Harvest and a 25% off Literati, a book club for kids. That's really cute. How fun. Oh, and a $60 gift card to Bright Sellers. The first thing I'm seeing is something that I was so incredibly excited to have, and this is the Trophy Skin Brighten MD Multifunction Eye, Face, and Neck Tool. This is so exciting for me. This uses heat therapy, high power LEDs, microcurrent, sonic vibration, and a smart touch sensor to really make your skin glow and feel amazing. This item itself has a retail value of $99. So in this one box alone, we already paid for the box itself, which is so cool. I am so excited and have heard amazing things about this product. I cannot wait to try this. Then we have another item that I was incredibly excited to try. This is the Necessaire The Body Wash in the eucalyptus scent. I've heard such fantastic things about Necessaire. I am so hyped to try this. It does have niacinamide, vitamin C, vitamin E, omega-6, and omega-9 to cleanse, nourish, and soften the skin. Necessaire is a brand that I have been seeing so much over the past couple months and have been wanting to try, but it is pretty pricey. Ooh, the packaging is nice. Oh man, they make this fancy. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, let's see how this smells. This item itself is $25, which is a very expensive body wash. Oh my goodness. I just got goosebumps. That smells so good. Wow. Oh my. Okay, I get the hype. I already get the hype. I haven't even used it. I get the hype. All right, then we got the black, pretty sure it's just black, pumpkin fresh peepers, and these are gel eye masks. These are so much fun. I honestly don't even know how much of a difference they make. I don't have too bad of eye circles for the most part. On the days that I do, I definitely really like these, but sometimes they're just really relaxing. These have pumpkin extract, fruit enzymes, red algae, and cognac. It's probably not cognac. I don't know. Konjac. Somebody let me know. And it's like a nourishing salad for your peepers. That's kind of cute. I am really excited for these. It comes with 5 masks and the retail value is $29. Then we have the Glossier Future Dew Oil Serum. Glossier is just so beautiful in their packaging. This Future Dew Serum is $26 and the packaging is stunning. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's so hard to even show because it's so shiny. It is a glass bottle and you get 1 ounce, but honestly, I feel like you're not gonna need very much. It is a nice pump. Let's kind of see. Oh, okay. It's a little bit more watery than I anticipated it being. I'm just gonna put this all over my hands to kind of see. I don't really like the smell of it, honestly. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's definitely making my hands glowy. Okay, that's kind of cool. I got way too much of it. It is just all over me. Okay, and I picked out the Mud Masky Pearl Polish Super Glow Pink K. Let's try that again. The Mud Masky Pearl Polish Super Glow Pink Clay Mask. Wow, that was a mouthful. And this is a pH balanced mask. I absolutely love the Mud Masky brand. I have used so many of their products and I really do like them. I'm also a big fan of pink clay masks. I feel like they work really well for my skin and they're just so fun to have your face be so pink. So I'm really excited to try this. We also have a box of the Lumify eye drops. This is a sample size, but I honestly really like having these. Everybody is talking about how these make your eyes pop, and I have to agree. I always keep these in my purse for any time I go out with my friends or am taking pictures or anything like that because it definitely does make your eyes pop. Then we have an item that was a mystery. I couldn't decide what to pick, so I just let them pick for me. And this is the Unite 7 Seconds Detangler Leave-In Conditioner. We actually got this we got the shampoo and conditioner in a mystery bag from my last FabFitFun box, so I'll link that video up from the summer. I've really been enjoying the shampoo and conditioner, so I'm pretty excited to try the leave-in conditioner. I think this is gonna be really, really nice. So the last item in the box is something that I saw as a customization option and I couldn't decide which one to pick, so I went ahead and got both of them. And this is the Bio Personal Air Purifier. I am really excited to try this. I know that people have some kind of mixed reviews about air purifiers. I feel like I've seen a lot going on. Some people say they work, some people say they don't. even if it's a placebo. I feel like this is going to make me happy. I do have pretty bad asthma, so anything that can make it easier to breathe is a win for me. I'm really excited to just put this in my bedroom and see if it makes a difference for me. So thought I would pick this up. This also has a retail value of $99, which is insane to me. So let me do some math real quick, let you know what the value of my box was, and see what we ended up totaling. Our total value for the box was $369.50. I think that is a phenomenal value for the box that you're getting. For about $50 a season, getting over $300 in value is fantastic. Every single item in this box is going to get put to use either by me, my boyfriend, or one of my friends. If you want to go ahead and try FabFitFun for yourself, definitely use the link below so you can get $10 off your first box. Bring it down to about $39, which if you're going to get almost 10 times the value, what are you waiting for? I love FabFitFun. I'm so happy that I got this box and I cannot wait to start putting those products to use. I am probably gonna shower right now just to use that body wash from Necessaire. I am so happy. So thank you so much for coming to hang out with me. Let me know if you're a subscriber of FabFitFun. What did you get in your box? Did you pick the same items that I did? Have you used any of these before? Do you have any reviews to tell me? I am so curious to hear all your thoughts. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate you being here and taking the time out of your day to spend with me. If you go ahead and subscribe, I will see you in the next video, so stay tuned then. In the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye.